Today, the focus is on one of the most impressive large-screen TVs currently available, the LG OLED77C1PUB 77-inch 4K Smart OLED TV with AI ThinQ. It's a premium display that combines design, performance, and smart functionality in a way that really stands out. The first thing to notice is the design. This OLED TV has a minimalistic and modern look. The bezels are ultra-thin, making the screen feel almost borderless, and the overall presence is elegant, whether it's mounted on a wall or placed on a stand. The stand itself is solid and understated, providing stability while complementing the TV's sleek profile. Build quality is excellent, reflecting LG's reputation for producing premium OLED panels. Picture quality is where this TV really shines. OLED technology allows each pixel to emit its own light, delivering true blacks and remarkable contrast. HDR content looks stunning, with highlights that pop and dark areas that reveal fine details. Colors are vibrant yet accurate, making every scene feel lifelike. Movies, sports, and even animated content are rendered with depth and clarity that few other TVs can match. The TV is powered by LG's Alpha 9 Gen 4 AI Processor 4K, which analyzes content in real time and optimizes picture settings automatically. It upscales lower-resolution videos to near 4K quality and enhances contrast, color, and sharpness for every scene. Whether it's streaming, cable content, or Blu-ray movies, the visual experience is immersive and cinematic. For gamers, this model offers an exceptional experience. HDMI 2.1 support enables 4K resolution at 120 Hz, combined with low input lag and variable refresh rate. Fast-paced games are smooth and responsive, while open-world titles appear more detailed and fluid. Dedicated gaming modes further enhance performance by optimizing visuals and minimizing latency, making this TV ideal for next-gen consoles like PS5 and Xbox Series X. Audio performance is solid for an integrated system. Dialogue is clear, and the speakers deliver balanced sound for everyday viewing. While a soundbar or home theater setup will always elevate the experience, the built-in audio is surprisingly effective for a large panel like this. Smart features are powered by AI ThinQ and WebOS, offering a smooth, responsive interface. Voice control works seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa, allowing easy navigation without a remote. Apps launch quickly, and switching between streaming platforms is effortless. Sports, movies, and gaming modes are pre-configured to optimize picture settings, providing a tailored viewing experience for each type of content. This particular bundle includes a 4-year enhanced protection plan, adding peace of mind for such a significant investment. OLED technology is now more durable than ever, but this coverage ensures that any issues are taken care of, protecting both the TV and your investment. Overall, the LG OLED77C1PUB 77-inch 4K Smart OLED TV is more than just a display. It combines a stunning design, exceptional picture quality, smooth gaming performance, and smart functionality into a package that elevates any living room or entertainment space. Whether streaming, gaming, or watching movies, this TV offers an immersive, high-end experience. For anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup, this model is an excellent choice. With the included 4-year protection plan, it delivers both premium performance and long-term reliability. A purchase link is available in the description for those interested in getting this OLED TV for their home.